Schumacher through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
And here we go, Enduros, the 9-car shot out of a cannon down into turn number 3 and 4 as he continues work his way up through the field. The 2 making a little bit of contact with the 9 there. 30-lap feature here for our Enduros at the end of the night. Eight car going to continue to limp around the bottom of the speedway. Oh, we got contact. It's Enduro, no caution, so they got to keep it moving. And the 42, I believe, busted the radiator fluid out of that one. Yeah. Red flag is out. Red flag. We got fluid from the 42. I believe the 9 got some damage out of that one. Red flag is out. Logan Snyder there, your race leader. Going to give him a lap or 2, trying to run through some of this fluid over there. Green up flag in the air. And we are back racing. Logan Snyder, Rylan Leach, Anthony Godby. They're in that 77. Our race leader down in turn number 1, Logan Snyder there in that 17X there. I believe that is an Acura. Ryan Leach. So anywhere from race control going 20 laps here on our Enduro. 20 laps on the Enduro due to, of course, how late in the night it is. So going 20 laps. Original schedule distance was 30, but due to the fact that it is inching closer towards about 110, we are going to go 20 laps on our final race of the night. Logan Snyder, Ryan Leach, Robert Turner, Kevin Bennett, Anthony Godley in that entry. Ryan Leach, Logan Snyder still there, Robert Tanner, Kevin Bennett still right there as well. Anthony Godley going back now to the 5th position. problems. Looks like overheating issues there on the 17, the former race leader in the infield. Now Ryan Leach will take the lead. Final few laps, 2 to go. Ryan Leach looking to hold on in the 2X machine and win the Enduro on the night. Presented by, of course, our great friends from Park Center Sporting Goods. Robert Tanner, Kevin Bennett, and Anthony Gobby, and then Thomas Boeing. And here we go, checkered flag. It's going to be the 2 machine of Ryan Leach. Robert Tanner second. Kevin Bennett in the 53. Anthony Gobby. And Thomas Brown, your top 5. Race fans, let's hear it for your Enduro winner, Ryan Leach, here tonight.